Hello children, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. Hello children, I am your Miss Nilofer and today we are going to learn lesson number 17, Our Earth. Chapter 17, Our Earth. We live on the vast earth. The earth is the home of all living things. It is round in shape like an orange. The surface of the earth is uneven. The earth is made up of land, water, and air. The earth looks blue from the moon as it has more water. During the daytime, we see the bright sun in the beautiful blue sky. So, children, our earth, when we listen or when we hear the word our earth, the first things come to us is a blue globe, a blue circle, and that blue circle is our earth. Children, we live on this earth and earth is very big. It is round in shape like an orange. Have you all seen an orange? Yes, so earth is round like an orange, but it is very big and it is vast. Vast means big. Okay, children, earth is a home of many living things. Okay, so on earth you can find all different types of living things like human beings, animal, birds, fish, insects. So the earth is home of all living things. And children, the surface of the earth is uneven because sometimes we have a huge mountains, sometimes we have a nice clean road, and sometimes we have river. So the surface, the place of the earth is uneven because it has different things. And children, our earth is made up of three main things, that is land, water, and air. So we all know what is land. What on the place where we are standing or sitting is known as land. The water we drink, okay, so it is water. And air, we breathe air. So the earth is made of main three things, that is land, water, and air. Children, if you go to moon, okay, and from moon if you search earth and you will see earth, you can see earth is blue in color. And do you know why it is blue in color? Because it has lots of water. The earth has 73% of water and rest all is land. Can you imagine how much water there may be in earth? And children, we can see skies on the earth. When you're standing on land, on top if you see, you can see a beautiful sky. And during daytime, we can also see sun. During daytime, we see bright sun in the beautiful blue sky. We see the moon and many stars at night in the sky. The stars, the sun, the moon, and our planet Earth all are in the vast sky, and some of them keep moving. Children, as we saw, in morning you get up and you can see a bright sun, and at night you can see moon and stars. Children, all this earth, moon, stars, sun, all this is in the vast sky. Up above our earth there is a sky, a big sky, which is called as galaxy or solar system. There we have our earth, other planets, moon, sun, and stars. And children, all this object keeps moving. The sun is a star. It is a huge hot ball of fire. Have you seen sun? If you see nicely, if you look at the sun, you cannot make an eye contact with the sun for more than 5 minutes or more than 5 seconds because the sun is made up of hot ball of fire. And if you keep looking at the sun, your eyes start watering because the sun rays are very sharp because it is made up of fire. And children, the sun is known as a star. It is a star. Children, the sun keeps earth warm and gives it light. So nowadays when you get light and warmth from the sun, children, Children, as we know, sun gives us light and warmth, but at night time we don't get light from the sun, and we get light from all the stars. That's why when the sun is gone, it is dark around us. Children, the earth takes one round around the sun in 1 year, that is 365 days. Children, have you all seen moon? Oh yes. Children, do you know our moon is satellite? It is our satellite of the earth. So, children, a satellite, that is the moon, moves around the earth in 28 days. And because of this movement of the moon, you can see the phases of the moon. Sometimes you have a full moon, sometimes you don't see a moon in the sky, or you have a half moon. This is because the moon keeps moving around the earth. So come, let us read this part. The sun is a star. It is a huge hot ball of fire. The sun keeps the earth warm and gives it light. The earth does not have its own light. At night, we do not get light from the sun, so it is dark. The earth takes one round around the sun in 1 year, 365 days. Our satellite, the moon, moves around the earth in 28 days. The light of the sun takes 8.5 minutes to reach the earth. So children, the sun which gives us light, so it is so far away from the earth. Sun is so far away from the earth. Still the light comes to the earth within 8.5 minutes. So the light travels from sun to earth in 8.5 minutes. Now let us read this page. Imagine what would happen without the sun. Now think, children, what would happen without the sun? Can you tell me? Okay, let me tell you. I think we cannot have light without the sun, and we will all become cold because sun gives us warmth, and if sun is not there, we will not get warmth. Now let us see what they have said. Without the sun, there would be no life on the earth. The earth will be cold and dark. Oh, so children, we have life on the earth because of sun. And if sun would not be there, we will not have life because the earth will become cold and dark. Now children, can you see a picture of a globe? There is a picture of the globe. Children, a globe is the model of earth. Now earth is so big, but we all want to see how earth is and what is inside the earth and how does all the states and country looks around the earth. So that's why a small model is made of earth. It is called as globe. Children, there is more water than land on the earth. So a large part of the earth has a great water bodies: ocean, seas, river, lake. Now children, as I said, earth is very big and 73% of the earth is water. Now you don't have water in one single form, but we have water in different in different forms, that is in different water bodies, and these water bodies are called as ocean, seas, river, lake. Now you have all seen ocean, a big ocean, and then sea, river. If you go to beach, you see a nice water waves. It is a part of an ocean. So children, these ocean, seas, river, lakes are called as water bodies, and our earth has different types of water bodies. River get water from the melting of the snow on mountain and from rain. So children, all this river get water from melting of the snow. Now earth also has big snowy mountains, and when the snow melts because of the sun rays and warmth, the river gets water, and we also get water because of rain. When rain comes, it brings water for us. There are high mountains, hill, valleys, plain, desert or land area. So children, as I said, the earth's space, the land is not even. Why it is not even? Because we have mountains and hills, valley, plains, desert or land area. High mountain peaks remain covered with ice and snow. So children, the mountain which is on the top and which is very big and high, it remains covered with the snow. For example, Mount Everest. The Mount Everest, it is so big and it is one of the tallest mountain. And since it is the tallest mountain, it is covered with ice and snow. Now let us read this. Save Earth. There is life only on Earth. Therefore, we must take care of it. We must save drinking water. We must not cut trees. We must plant trees on the earth. Fact. Mount Everest, which lies in the Himalaya, is the highest peak in the world. So children, we have to save earth. Now earth gives us everything. We have water, we have land, we have air, we get sunlight, and because of all this there is life on earth. But if we waste water, if we don't take care of our air and land, we will not survive. So to survive and to be good and healthy, we must save our earth. We must take care of earth. And how can we take care of earth? By keeping our water safe, by not cutting trees, by planting more and more trees, and by not throwing waste on ground. We must always make sure that we are throwing our waste in dustbin. And as I said, in the fact book it is given Mount Everest. It is in India, and Mount Everest in the range of Himalaya. Okay, it is the biggest peak. It is the highest mountain in the world. It is like the biggest mountain in the world. Now can you see there is a box known as check yourself. First question is, what is the shape of the earth? So children, the shape of the earth is round. Which color you see more in a globe? So globe is a model of earth. And which color do you see more? Yes, we see blue color. Very good. Now let us go to next page. Quiz zone. Take the correct answer. Which planet is known as the blue planet? So, is the moon known as the blue planet? No. The earth. Yes. So the earth is known as the blue planet. Tick mark on the earth. Second, we get light on the earth from. So from where do we get light? We get light from the sun. So tick mark C, the sun. B, right, true or false? The earth is round like an orange. So children, is it true or false? It is true. So write T. Second, the earth moves around the sun once in 24 hours. It is false. The earth moves around sun in 1 year, that is 365 days. Third, the earth is made up of land, water and air. So children, the earth is made up of land, water and air. So it is true or false? It is true. So write T. Writing zone. A. Fill the following boxes. Take help from the given picture. So if picture is given, you have to fill box. First is air. So you have to write A-I-R. You have to just write I in the given box. Second, in the picture you can see it is water. So you have to write water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Third, you can see an earth. So you have to write earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Fourth, you can see all the planets. So you have to write planet. P-L-A-N-E-T, planet. B. Fill in the blanks. The dash is the home of living beings. So what is the home of all living beings, children? Earth. So you are going to write earth. Second, a dash is the model of earth. What is the model of earth? A globe is the model of earth. So write globe. Third, the dash is a huge hot ball of fire. What is the huge hot ball of fire? The sun. So write sun. Fourth, The moon moves around the earth. So you can see moving around the earth. So you have to write moon. The dash are far away, so they look small in sky. What is far away and look small in sky? That is star. So write star.